Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is the end of summer scalp detox. Ooh. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday with my own brand of beauty-related nonsense. Today's video is a product video. So if you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a little kiss, give me a little like. We're gonna do two products today. A scalp exfoliant and a hair and scalp repair. Right, why? Because summer and using sunscreen on my head and the sweat and the oils to keep the frizz out and all of that just kind of builds up on the scalp. So for the interest of this video and to start at like a nice even playing field, I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks and it is heckin' gross right now. Yeah, but for not washing or really doing much to my hair for like 2 weeks, I'm just gonna say the last products I used, the Alpha Bar Curl and Wave link. I'm not that mad at how my hair looks right now. It's frizzy, it's gross. In any case, let's get into it. Step one, we're gonna use the Neuma reNeu Scalp Therapy Exfoliant, okay? And both of these products were part of subscription boxes. I'm not gonna say which one came from which because they come at about the same time for me and I'm just gonna open them up and I'm like, yay, product! Great, so follow the instructions. Performance without sacrifice. Okay. Gentle scalp exfoliator removes buildup and residue to refresh, restore, and revitalize the scalp. Guidance. I like that they say guidance instead of instructions. Guidance. Rinse hair. Lather with reNeu shampoo. Apply reNeu scalp. Well, I don't have the reNeu shampoo. I'm just gonna use a clarifying shampoo. Okay, apply reNeu Scalp Therapy and massage into scalp with fingertips. Leave on for 2 minutes, rinse, follow with reNeu Condition. Well, I also don't have the reNeu Condition, but we are gonna do this follow-up mask. So, okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna turn on the shampoo system. I'm still so proud of this thing. So we're gonna shampoo first. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fleecy Alpha Park Fleecy clarifying because I don't have the reNeu clarifying, so okay, shampoo this, great, awesome, into it. Let a towel dry. There's our lotiony consistency. You can definitely smell the peppermint and the lavender in this. Yeah, and it also has like a grit to it, like a fine sugar grit, but not too much. It's not like a scrub that's like, heavy in the texture. It's got like a light texture to it. So let's go ahead, get this onto my scalp. You know what? I never do. Here we go, sides of the head. We're gonna get that old skin off and that old oil and the sweat and everything. Goodbye, summer. Get that summer off my hair. Okay. Grit. So we're gonna leave the, wow. Okay, you can really smell the mint when you start massaging it in. Wow, that is minty. I feel like I just chewed like a whole pack of double mint gum. In any case, 2 minutes. Let's go. See you in a minute. 2 of them. JK. So while I've got this sitting and my timer going, I think we should talk about the product. I do like that it has grapeseed oil. I really like grapeseed oil. I like how light it is. I like the amount of shine you get from it without it building up too much in the hair. I mean, any oil you use can build up in the hair. Like that's just kind of how oil works. But okay, in any case, what I like about this company is cruelty-free. Love it. Always love. Yes, yes. This product is also vegan and gluten-free without soy as well. So they're really covering a whole wide audience with who can use this product. I mean, unless of course, like, I can't get over the amount of peppermint in it. Like, wow. So if you have a sensitivity to peppermint, I maybe wouldn't recommend this product. They also boast sustainability from the product line. So about that, this packaging is recyclable. Love that. It's got all the appropriate markings on it for recycling. And it is certified USDA organic. Okay, we're ticking a lot of boxes on this one. Love that. We are clean. It is like squeaky clean. Like, okay. Okay, next up, we are going to do the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. Wow, that is a lot of words. Okay, directions. Massage the product into your hair and scalp after repair shampoo. Well, we just did an exfoliant, so we are good right now. Leave for 5 minutes, rinse. Okay, if contact with eyes occur, rinse thoroughly. Okay, cool. Oh, and you're from the UK. Great. Again, this is like a trial size. I don't see like a sustainability marking or anything on here. I may have to look closer at this guy, but let's just take off that protective seal. Ooh, that smells expensive. Why? What are you using for? Hey, bamboo extracts. We all know how much I love bamboo extracts. Yes. Okay. You know what? Let's roll with it. You know what? I'll try harder to show you this product. Let's just get a big old dollop of this. Put that cap back on before I make a mess of my life. Yeah. It definitely has kind of that, God, it smells like a perfume I had. What was that? What was that? It wasn't Chanel. It doesn't, I don't know. It has a little bit of that Chanel-y smell. Chanel-y. Oh, lather it all on to my scalp. Okay, so this should like condition and moisturize and gently repair my scalp. Great, let's get it all the way through. Let's do it. Oh. Maybe it's just from the exfoliant, but like, I feel like I've got almost like not quite a tingling sensation on my scalp, but like, you know when like you're chewing a piece of like really refreshing gum and you go, yeah, it kind of feels like that on my scalp right now. I don't know. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. don't mind it. It's not a bad feeling. Yeah, okay, so I will see you guys in 5 minutes. Okay, so I have about 3 minutes left before I need to rinse this repair, strengthening hair and scalp mask. So I went ahead onto the Grow Gorgeous Company website to just look up a little more about this product since the sample size doesn't have a ton of information on it. Let's see. Strengthen and reinforce brittle strands from within with this deeply hydrating mask, leaving hair and scalp healthier, softer, and stronger. Okay, so skincare ingredients: nourish scalp and roots. Niacinamide supports the scalp's natural protective barrier by helping reduce water loss and moisture to the scalp. Okay, and then bioactive blend of 5 ferments. So it's okay. So we've got zinc, iron, copper, magnesium. Cool. What's the 5th? Okay. You said 5 and then you listed 4. All right, rich and essential minerals. Fine. Okay. We've got biofunctional peptides and amino acids. Amino acids, of course, are what builds the keratins in the hair, what builds the keratin protein. So, okay, we're enriched with amino acids from the carrot tree. I don't think I've ever said that word out loud, so I'm probably saying it wrong. And that's supposed to strengthen weak and brittle strands. Saying carob tree, it lists stop. My time is up. It lists bamboo though, so it's, okay, whatever. Yeah. Oh, it also has shea butter. Okay. Cuticle soothing technology helps smooth and seal the cuticle, increasing shine for healthy looking hair. Great, okay. Oh, okay, here we go. Here's what I was looking for. So Grow Gorgeous products are vegan friendly, gluten free, and formulated without parabens, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, and mineral oil. We're gonna talk about phthalates in the next video. Ha 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 ha, foreshadowing. Awesome, okay. Great. Okay, let's rinse this. I'm gonna rinse it cooler. When I rinsed the exfoliator, I did it a little on the warmer side just to make sure I was pulling off all the product and just kind of leaving my hair open to receive a moisturizing treatment. So now we're gonna rinse it cool. We're gonna lock all that down. I'm gonna tag the actual product size from the site in the description below. Like I said, this is a trial out of a subscription box. There's definitely like a lingering perfumey smell, but it doesn't feel like I still have any product in my hair. I'm liking it. I like the way it smells. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I think maybe I need to sit with it for a little bit. Like, I think I like it. I don't often put product on the sides of my head because, you know, I just usually shave it all off. I really just left it for this video. So I feel like that skin feels really good. Like, the scalp on the sides of my head feels really nice right now. You know, like when you freshly moisturize your face and you're just like, I'm so moisturized and dewy. Like it feels like that. So I'm really appreciating that. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. You know what? I'm gonna blow it out real quick I think I'm gonna blow it straight today, because I just want to see how much shine I'm actually getting from this product and how much, like, you know, it because the product does both, you know, smoothing down the cuticle so much. I think I kind of just want to test that. I'm gonna blow out real quick, off camera. BRB. I have 5 hairs on my head. This will take like 2 seconds. Aha. Okay. I am blown out. I didn't add any leave-in products, any oils, anything like that. And I am okay. Yeah. She smooths the cuticle real nice. Like, I've got a lot of shine going. Look at that shine. Okay, I'm into this. Pardon my ends. It is definitely time for a haircut. Like, I can't repair my way out of that. But I'm actually really impressed with this. Truth be told, while I was blowing my hair out, I felt like I was fighting to get the moisture out. So this product definitely does lock in moisture to the point that it's like, no, this is my hair now. So kind of impressed with that. And the fragrance that I was on the fence about has dissipated already with just blowing my hair out. So I'm into it. Yeah, great. Yes, great. So thank you for joining me today, guys, for the end of summer scalp detox. I'm really looking forward to going into autumn with a fresh head on my shoulders. Check out these products. Yep, it goes down below. Check out the description box. I'll have links to these products. I think I can stand behind these. These are great. That was the Neuma Scalp Detox. Their new Scalp Therapy Exfoliant. And then Grow Gorgeous, the Repair Hair and Scalp Strengthening Mask. Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. Either way, great products, no matter how you say it. Great, awesome. So if you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead, give me a little like, and hit subscribe. You can check me out on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. And until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.